Okay, here's my Weathervane so far. And then I have to add the boat on the top. And letting the glue dry in the stand, and then we'll add some decor down below. But here's our Weathervane. It's getting to look like a Weathervane, doesn't it, Legacy?
It's looking pretty good.
All Dollar Tree, 100% Dollar Tree. And then we're going to add the boat. Now that the boat is dried and looks weathered and old, we're going to add the boat. And let's continue with the slideshow. And here is the windmill. It's going to be like a memorial windmill for my papa. All Dollar Tree. We have the little flowers from this $1 decoration they sell. I placed the flowers in there. We have the jenga blocks, dowels, foam balls, the letters, and of course the ship. Then I found this cute little bench in my stash, and I will be placing it on here in remembrance of Papa Jones, who would be your great grandpa. Yep, grandpa, great-grandpa, great-great-grandpa. Grandpa Jones, Albert Ward Jones. So, later I can even use this for a floral enhancement. I might do, I'm not sure. But here we go. Anybody can make this, very simple. Use whatever color paint you want. Thanks for following the slideshow. We are continuing with some more ideas. I hope you've seen the little honey hives I made earlier. Watch that video if you missed it. And then while I was making the honey hive, I thought, why not an acorn? So get these little eggs right now at Dollar Tree, and then in the fall we can make acorns with them. They're on the florals with the lilies. You have the rabbits and you have the chickadees and these eggs. You can make little honey hives from the egg. Isn't that cute? Alrighty. Please subscribe if you'd like to stick around and enjoy all the crafts that we make. We would appreciate it. We like our fans. And if you want to chat with me, I'm on Dollar Tree, or I'm on Legacy's Little Luxuries Arts and Crafts. I'm no longer on Dollar Tree Crafts and Ideas. Too much work on that page. So, take care. See you soon.
See you soon.
Bless.
Bye. Bye.
Hi everybody. Legacy's Little Luxuries Arts and Crafts YouTube with 100% Weathervane made from Dollar Tree items. And then I found the little bench out of my fairy garden supplies. Jenga blocks, florals, dowels, letters, styrofoam balls, and a ship. You want to learn how to make it? It's Legacy's Little Luxuries Arts and Crafts on YouTube. This is Miss Jones. Miss Jones with the second project on April 2nd, Tuesday, 2019. I take the copper scrubby pads, cut the top off. I'm going to wrap these around the sugar shakers. Remember, I already used the tins, the top, for my windmills. Be sure to check that video out. It's just a couple videos back, but it's on my channel. And I saved the glass, and now I'm going to upcycle it into my farmhouse. And of course, the copper scrubbies are a theme in my kitchen this year. And so this is how I'm going to decorate it. I have it wrapped right now, and then I'm going to add twine around the top of it. Alright, let's continue. These are really cute. Rustic and farmhousey. Not finished yet, but look at that. It's different flair to the container. Cute. Now let's see what I do with them. Once again, I'm burning the twine. Yeah. Darkens it up a little bit, makes it more rustic.